Hi there, students. Custody. Okay, custody, an uncountable noun. Um, let's see. I think probably the most common use of custody is in cases of divorce when the parents of a child separate or the parents have died, and there's the question of who has custody of the children. So here, custody talks about the right or the duty to care for someone. Yeah, to care for a child whose parents have separated. So the judge awarded custody of the child to his father. Okay, to the father. So to have custody of a child, to be in charge. After both parents were killed in a tragic accident, their grandmother took custody of the children. You can also use this word custody for things as well. I don't know, the keys are in the custody of the porter. Yeah? He's the person who's looking after them. Yeah, but let's see, custody, it talks about taking care of something, being responsible for something, the guardianship, the keeper of something. Yeah, and that's the idea of custody, the responsibility for the control, transport, or movement of something. Yeah. Notice very often custody is also used in law enforcement. So if somebody is in police custody, they are being kept by the police, yeah, before they go to trial. So the suspect was taken into custody, into preventive custody. This is talking about imprisonment, detention, incarceration. Okay, so custody can be the protective care of somebody, the guardianship, the safekeeping. Yeah, but then also it can be the imprisonment of something. Yeah, so something is in the custody of somebody, they are looking after it. So, as where I started, the custody is the legal right to look after a child. Yeah, especially the right given to the child's mother or father after a divorce occurs. Yeah, so the court case was about the custody of the children, who protected them, who supervised them. Yeah, and then custody, to be held in custody. This is to be held in prison. Yeah, the he was given a custodial sentence, a prison sentence of 6 months. Okay, so custody, yeah, it works both ways. And then you can use custody as well to talk about in the safekeeping of in the safekeeping of something. So the documents are in the custody of the bank. Yeah, they're being looked after by the bank. They're being held and kept safely within the bank, and that's the idea. So, custody, formality. This is a rather legal word. I think I'm going to give it a 6.5 in formality. I think informally, in the care of, in charge of, something like that. Use custody in a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. And then as to origin, this comes from Latin, custodia. Yeah, a prison, a guard, from custos, a guard, a keeper, a watchman. Okay, so custody, child custody, who's in charge of it? Legal custody, somebody who's under the arrest, to take somebody into custody. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Custody.